are done with dinner. It was awesome.
Greg.
Yeah.
Greg.
Yeah. Oh no. We got the best view in town here.
Jesus, Jay, take that.
Best view in town.
Watch me.
Sure do. Such a chef. You look at my backside.
Joy, yeah, keep your dress down. The wind's blowing right up this hill.
I know it is.
You're gonna wind up being a parachute. There's Cholla Point.
It's not funny.
Well, then you may have to step back inside. You're gonna pull a Marilyn Monroe here. Go back inside. Yes, go back inside. Well, then feel free to give the show.
I want to go inside.
There's the first condo we went to. You cannot, right there. And this is not a beach, it's a harbor entrance, but we went to the beach over there. And it was nice. Got some great shots. But the place to go is North Beach. Right there. There's the Sonoran Sky. They almost put us in that place, but I finally got final approval for that place. A little bit nicer place.
You should get my dress flopping.
I will. As long as you keep it down. No free shows.
I'm trying to. It's not easy.
Anyway, as you see, Cortez. Looks like there's not as many fishermen out here. I think they gave them the
frog. He must like frogs.
Anyway, let's back up a little bit and see if we can get Joy here. Now, Joy, you keep it rated G, okay?
I'm trying to.
Keep it rated G, but Joy's in her dress. Okay, careful now, Joy.
Her umbrella.
Careful.
This will
Okay. Anyway, food was delicious.
Maybe this is like a little.
All right, we're done. We're gonna film going back down that dirt road. Thought I needed a 4-wheel drive to get up here.